As we grow older, every small decision about our diet begins to matter more than ever, especially when it comes to heart health. And one of the most overlooked yet powerful choices is the type of cooking oil we use every day. You may think all oils are the same, but some of them are silently harming your arteries, increasing inflammation, and even contributing to heart disease. Meanwhile, others can protect your heart, improve your circulation, and reduce your risk of stroke. In today's video, we'll uncover the 5 worst cooking oils that seniors should never use, and the 5 best oils that you should start using today to protect your heart. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's dive into this life-saving knowledge. Part 1. 5 Worst Cooking Oils for Seniors. 20 foot. Let's begin with the 5 worst oils. If you have any of these in your kitchen, it may be time to toss them out. 1. Vegetable oil. This is the most misleading name in the cooking world. Vegetable oil sounds healthy, but in reality, it's a blend of cheap oils like soybean, corn, and cottonseed. These oils are heavily refined, using high heat and chemicals. This process creates trans fats and oxidized compounds, both of which are toxic to your arteries. Vegetable oil also contains a high level of omega-6 fatty acids. When omega-6 is out of balance with omega-3, it causes chronic inflammation. Inflammation is a key driver of heart disease. For seniors with existing heart issues, this oil is like pouring fuel on fire. Corn oil. Corn oil is another popular choice because it's affordable, but it's high in omega-6 and low in omega-3. Worse, most corn used in the US is genetically modified and sprayed with pesticides. During the refining process, corn oil becomes highly unstable. It forms aldehydes, toxic chemicals that have been linked to heart problems and even Alzheimer's disease. Plus, it adds empty calories without any real nutrition. Not good for older adults who need every calorie to count. Canola oil, especially refined types. Canola oil is often marketed as heart healthy. But most canola oil on store shelves is refined, bleached, and deodorized. It's made from genetically modified rapeseed, and like corn oil, it's high in omega-6. Its long shelf life comes at a cost. It promotes plaque buildup in arteries. One study found that animals fed canola oil had impaired memory and increased weight gain. While not the worst of the worst, refined canola oil should be avoided. Soybean oil. Soybean oil is used in more packaged foods than any other oil, but it's extremely high in omega-6 and contributes to systemic inflammation. A recent study from the University of California found that soybean oil altered genes in the brain and was linked to obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. It also contains compounds that may interfere with thyroid function. For seniors managing hormone health and cardiovascular risk, this oil is a danger. Margarine and shortening, often made from hydrogenated oils. These are solid fats often used in baking. They are made by adding hydrogen to vegetable oils, creating trans fats. Even though trans fats are banned in many countries, some products still contain trace amounts, Trans fats lower your good HDL cholesterol and raise your bad LDL cholesterol. They increase the risk of blood clots, stroke, and heart attack. Seniors should completely eliminate these fats from their diet. Transition. One food. Now that you know which oils to avoid, let's move on to the good news. There are oils that don't just taste great. They actively support your heart, fight inflammation, and promote better aging. Let's explore the 5 best cooking oils every senior should consider. Part 2. 5 must-use cooking oils for heart health. 20-foot. These are the oils that can make a real difference in your heart health. 1. Extra virgin olive oil. EVOO. This is the gold standard for heart health. Rich in monounsaturated fats and powerful antioxidants like oleocanthal, olive oil reduces inflammation. Studies in Mediterranean countries have shown lower rates of heart disease among people who use olive oil daily. It improves cholesterol profiles, lowers blood pressure, and even protects against stroke. Use it on salads for sautéing vegetables or drizzling over cooked dishes. But avoid high-heat frying. Evo is best when gently heated. Avocado oil. Avocado oil is another excellent choice. It has a high smoke point, making it perfect for cooking. Like olive oil, it's rich in monounsaturated fats. It also contains lutein, which supports eye health. Another bonus for seniors. Avocado oil has been shown to reduce blood triglycerides and improve artery function. It's neutral in taste and versatile for everything from baking to stir-frying. Walnut oil. Walnut oil is often overlooked, but it contains alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid. ALO is linked to reduced risk of heart disease. This oil also provides polyphenols that protect blood vessels. Walnut oil is best used in salad dressings or drizzled on top of steamed veggies. Don't cook it at high heat. Keep it raw to preserve its benefits. Flaxseed oil. This is a fragile but powerful oil. Flaxseed oil is the richest plant source of omega-3s. It helps reduce blood pressure, supports flexible arteries, and lowers LDL cholesterol. For seniors with joint pain or inflammation, flaxseed oil can also provide relief. It's best consumed cold. Add to smoothies or mix into yogurt. Store it in the fridge, as it spoils quickly. Coconut oil, in moderation. This one is controversial, but when used in moderation, coconut oil can be beneficial. It contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which are easily absorbed for quick energy. Some studies show MCTs may improve HDL, good cholesterol. Coconut oil also has antibacterial properties. Use it for light cooking or baking, but don't overdo it. Balance is key, as it still contains saturated fat. Part 3. Practical tips for switching oils. 5 out. Now that you know what to use and what to avoid, how can you make the switch easily? Start by checking your pantry. Read labels carefully. Look for words like partially hydrogenated. That's a red flag. Replace one bad oil at a time. You don't need to throw everything out at once. For cooking, go with avocado or olive oil. For salads, try walnut or flaxseed oil. Store oils in dark, cool places to keep them fresh. Buy smaller bottles if you don't use oil often. And remember, even healthy oils are high in calories. So, moderation matters. Conclusion and call to action. 2 foot. Your heart deserves the very best. And that starts with what you cook with. Avoid the silent killers like vegetable oil and margarine. Embrace the heart-healing power of olive oil, avocado oil, and more. Your choices today can add years to your life, and life to your years. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with a loved one. Don't forget to subscribe for more healthy living tips for seniors. And as always, stay healthy, stay wise, and keep your heart strong.